Yes. This is another cargo pants. We never wear that one yet either. Just the same like the rest of them. The back height too wide, but they fit and them fit really cute and them very long. I think I shouldn't pack them up. I think I should have. Even though my clothes them not pack up for long, you know, guys. Me tell you that. Hey cuties, hey newbies, welcome and welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is KN2Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, a vlog, or whatever. Okay cuties, welcome back to another episode. I think it's episode 2. That's not 2, that's 4. 2 of closet takedown. So it is literally night. It's Friday night and the video have to go up Sunday, so we have to get it done today because your girl is going out tomorrow. Yes, my love, outside tomorrow, outside straight all day. Okay, so the aim today is to get everything out the closet. That's the goal. Are we going to make it? I don't know. Because like I said, it's late. It's literally almost 12 o'clock right now. And I have work in the morning too. So we're going to try to clean everything out so that Kemar next day off him can pull down, screw down with a screw down, you know? Yeah. So we're going to start over here. When we want to first, I take them something off for the grow. Down here, so we have clothes where we're going to pack up. Tim! Tape up one of them box there for me. What about them here? I don't know how I'm gonna put them here. Cause how I'm gonna pack up makeup. I don't know. No idea. But I could go and take down this meanwhile. So this dress, I've had this forever too. Because that I'm gonna give it away. This is a Shein dress. We're keeping this. I just get that one here, so we'll keep it. This dress I want them long time Shein dress there with the side cut out. So you tie it right here. And then the whole of your body out I do this. So. Let me say the whole of one side is gone. I think you're gonna keep this. Some of them sexy. One of them sexy look there. Jeans! Most of my jeans them I will probably give away. But me have to try them first. I don't know what can fit me and what can't fit me. I give away everything what can fit. Whether it big, small, or new. Not keeping them. So we're gonna put all of the jeans them. Boy, I grow me have to try everything. But now I'm not know if to put nothing. Let me do it up here. 2-piece from Fashion Over, wear it couple times. I'm gonna dash it on here. It's just a simple 2-piece with the top. It have this at the front. You can dry it and have like a little scrunch up here so. Or you can make it stay down and just have like a cute little tank top. Not tank top. What they call this? Tube top. We keeping this. This is a cute little summer outfit. This ain't going nowhere. This jacket, I don't even know. This is still the hang up session. I don't know if alright. I'm gonna put the stuff that we may hang up back right there so. That's why I'm gonna hang up box them. Jeans, this is one jeans I have. Never fail me. For some reason it always fit. No matter how much weight I gain, it always fit. One of them Fashion Over jeans, I love it. Except for it's short. You know, they don't on your hip. And me kind of like the jeans where come up on my belly. High-waisted. This is not high-waisted, but it is cute. And it's tall, so we'll keep that too. So the outfit is heavy. This is a cute outfit. We wear it one time in Jamaica. Never wear it back. But it was very cute. So, and it the big. So we're keeping it. Full of pocket. Full of pocket. No, I'm not full it. I know I'm gonna have to try this. Because I know this fit. This jacket, I bought it, I wear it once, and after that, my hand them can't go in there. I have some very big hands, so couldn't go back in it. So this I'm gonna give a pile. This is also fashion over. Cute little rip jacket, throw over tight suit, because you know I love two-piece tight suit. I have a lot. So I always have enough jacket for us to throw over them. What would you do with this? Get away. This skirt suit, I wore this once. Oh my god, I wore it in Jamaica too. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. This is see-through and it long, dragging on the floor too. And then we have the top piece, cover your bottom, cover your ass, nothing not sure. But it is so cute, so cute. Fashion over. Yeah. And then you have the top piece, feet. This cute little top. This don't hold your boobs. Yeah. I want it to have zip in the back. We're keeping this too. Yeah, go with him? You tape, huh? You tape the box to me already? Okay, I think tape 2 of them for me. You just in case me need it. Tape 2. Kemar reach? Alright then, you don't have to tape no more. You don't have to tape no more. You probably want to let think what me do. This pants is a size 13 from Fashion Over. I'm not ask if this now go for me. Even though it have stretch. So we are going to put that one here in a giveaway basket. And I don't think this ever wear. I don't think that pants ever go for me. Most of the jeans them. I'm not really a jeans girl, you know. Not really. I'm just there try. Come out of my comfort zone like me telling you, but it never work. Oh no. This will go over here, so. That pile there. That I give away for sure. This is another cute jacket. I've never worn it before. But I love it. Fashion over too. Got the cut up them all over it. This is a crop jacket. You know? Come halfway. Right here. But it's very cute. Show it over my 2-piece them, like me say. Yeah. Come on, you reach. Long time. This is another one. I don't know. I'm obsessed. It's clearly I am obsessed with this jacket. And we're keeping this one as well. This now gonna wear. Fashion over too. No. This is not fashion over. Where did I buy this? I don't know. Maybe I got this from Rainbow or something. I don't know. I have no idea. It kind of giving the Rainbow vibes. Rainbow always have them jacket there. This is definitely fashion over. I never wear that one yet either. Never. This have a little curve up at the boob part. When I put it on, it just itch up around here. So it just itch up around here. So maybe I say it's probably too small for me. So I never wear it, but it fits. You see from the hand going, it's good and it's long. So me thought we come right here. So I like when the jacket them kind of have a little more coverage, you know? Yeah, but I should really keep these on the hangers, you know. Don't know why I'm taking them off. I should have hang them up in the box. So you can put body in my hanger for me.
I always love the man more work, so.
I never think, but...
Yeah, always not think.
But from now on, no more now come off if me wear it. Oh my God. Which machine? You better throw that outside somewhere.
Fucking on my waist. Pull you up at lead.
Come on, come on. That is a sign. Stop the plate. No point no gun for me, sir.
Run up behind.
Eh. Thank you very much. Okay, so this one is a brand new one. Never wear. If it fit, it keep. If it not fit, it give it. But it just up under my arm like roll on, so. Why it's so? I don't know. Oh, no. No way. My aunt can't go. My aunt can't lock. Oh. Oh my God. This is so tight. I think I should keep this, but like, what is cover? What is for? Like, what is really for? It not. No, if we take it off. Kemar, come take this off for me. Come take this off for me. That freaking
Yeah,
jacket.
the sun will go on all the while, man.
What the hell? No, sir.
You good now?
Yeah,
You
I'm
still
good.
can't
I'm
help
good
yourself
though.
with one hand?
I'm good with one hand. I'll put it in there, give it a pie, because this is sin. Okay, this, I've had this for a long time. I think this is definitely, what name? What them color story? Rainbow. Either rainbow or pretty woman. That's them place them used to shop before my find fashion over. And Sheen. No, the one I keep, man. The one I fit. Oh, this definitely a keep. Oh, this a keep. This one not gonna away. Yeah, this can wear with. Yeah, this can wear with my tights then. Oh, from your see this, you know it never wears. He still have the tag on it. And it looks small. So this is the one I my niece them or something. I never gonna go no further. This stuck here so. Love this one. Wear this all the time. Don't know if it still can fit me now though. Yep. This is good. Am I phone that? Alright, so we're keeping this one. This is cute. The only thing I like about this is the sleeve them short, so when I wear it, I always, you know, cock up here so. This one, this is Fashion Over. Let's see if this fit. We said the whole of them basically come like the same thing, right? Why I have so much of the same thing, I don't know. Sometimes you have to wiggle your way in and you close them. It's kind of tight, but I love this jacket. And I'm not trying to buy anymore, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it because your girl will lose the weight. And like me say, I'm not try to buy it in the morning. If I give you all of them, I go buy them back, I promise you, because I love wearing them in the winter with my tight suit them. I say ear I bite me everywhere. Be a ear. What is? Oh, I never wear this before. It's a two-piece from Fashion Over. I think maybe I need to try this one. It have a lot of stretch. Maybe it will fit. But it got the cutout right here. I think maybe I'm gonna wear it because I try it and it's too short. Because the outfit is cute, you know? And this goes here and then you attach this part to the jeans down here. So we're gonna put this in the try-on section. This are the jumper. I think I'm gonna see me wear this already. This is the only jumper I have. The only one I got it from Fashion Over. I wore it twice. One New Year's Day and the other day I got one birthday party. So we're keeping it because I like it. Oh, this pants. This pants used to be so sexy. But I don't know where I'm going to fit you know. I want them half a cut pants there. 3/4 then call it. Yeah. Oh my god, now me I start sweat. No matter with that. And this is it. This not giving me. I keep this because like me say, I'm losing this weight. And I love that pants. I don't know what the jacket there for this. But that's one of the 3-piece I showed you the other day. I have 2 of them. That jeans there I give away. Where this come from? This are Old Navy. Just a straight black, black. Straight blue jeans. I put this in the giveaway pile because no amount of weight me lose that can't go back on my body. This one we keeping. I love the short jeans here. And then one of them big baggy pants there. And it's long, dragging. You know I love that. Got the design here. And it got it in the back as well. So we're definitely keeping this one. This is another one I've never worn it before. I don't know. I think it's because it's short again. I may think it never fit baggy and it never fit baggy. But I love the design on it. It's from Fashion Over. And we are keeping it. Never wear it one day. Change the black hanger there. So we can dash it away. This is Fashion Over. This a giveaway. Can't fit me again. It's a long skinny jeans. That's giving away. This is Old Navy. I think this a giveaway too. This can't go nowhere near me. And that not much stretch either. So I not plan to get too skinny. So that won't work. Tim gone. Oh, this is a Fashion Over. This never wear it. I'm gonna give away this one too. And remember when them 2-piece Bigfoot they go around the baggy Bigfoot them? I think it was last year or year before. I think it was year before last. I'm gonna buy the orange. I bought a couple. Y'all will see them in a minute. Couple of, you know, the cargo pants, them just baggy and everyone was just, it was a thing. And then I got this one. And this fits, I just never wear it. I don't know, it just, I think it want techie in, like the crotches are too long. Yeah, it never, I buy it too big because I want it for tall, I buy it too big. And then have this big ass leg. I don't know, I'm gonna put this in there try on all. Then it have the jacket feet. Yeah. And then it have the button them. Bring one box and pack up the stuff them where we are.
One of the box and what else? You used to drive taxi.
Who used to drive taxi? You.
The two.
No mix me. A friend me come learn to drive. The bottom of this tape good? Anything Tim do not do too right, you know. Look how the man do the box. Yo, watch out.
Yo, the butcher this.
Look how what the hell?
Don't tear this. You never gonna just bust it and tape it back. If you tear the tape, it and tape or tear up the cardboard.
Not even one box. Crazy. But anyway, we're not waiting on him. We're gonna move on. We're gonna need the next box. I could empty this. We're gonna need a hanger for this. This is 2-piece I'm telling you about from Fashion Nova. I have 2 of them. It's a 3-piece basically. It have this, and it have the jacket feet. Nice little cozy winter piece. You know? You're warm and still look sexy at the same time.
No, I don't take that.
I don't mean look for and can't find it.
Yeah, you can last things, man.
It wasn't me. It was not me.
One time you use the tape and I eat that.
I don't know that pantsuit you wear to Tanya's birthday the other day. We wear it one time and that was it. Tanya's birthday. I have it forever in here. This the top. Cute little dinner outfit. Cute little dress up piece. And yeah, we're keeping this. This are going to fold up close. This was one of the set that me are telling about. Where everybody there buy. I don't know. So this is another cargo set. We have the top for this too. Where I don't know, but there's somewhere. The foot have the thing where you tie. So you tie the foot like this when you put it on. It's cute. Oh shit, that one I never wear yet. I think I wear the top feet. I don't know, but yeah. We'll keep it. Cause I don't understand. I buy them when them in a style and still not wear them yet. When them I don't see nobody in this no more. This is the one I'm wear. This is the reason why I've been wear them, because the back of them, you can stand up and look right down in my clothes. Because the back just hang, run yourself, just hang way off. So yeah. But I go to Jamaica, my cousin lace it. So this is how I get for wear it the other day. I'm wear it at Jamaica. So it's just like the next one, except for this one, it don't have the thing at the foot. But it's basically the same thing. This one, I never wear this one before, but it ain't going nowhere. I love it so much. I don't know, like I said, the back of them, each of them in there, the back of them just too far from off my ass. Like, it just don't make sense. Oh my God, this needs to cock up yourself. Need a pin. Yeah, and it got the thing at the bottom for draw the string. And it long. If you don't have to draw the string like that, things them dusty. Yeah, so this one is a keeper too. Leave them out and just carry the one and got tailor. This is a skirt I get from Fashion Nova, from Shein the other day. That has stayed this. I don't even know. I think me if you argue with that, because I never get the top with it, I don't like it after that. This is another jacket. We're definitely keeping this one. Got the design from the pocket. I don't know if you can see that.
Show over your basket over there so they can while they're right there, so
Them the pocket, they will give away and some over here so too. But just try like wrap them, you know. Most of them fold, but them probably just want look a better fold, you know. Yeah. We already know the two-piece here from Shein. So comfortable, it ain't going nowhere. This one now, I'm gonna put this in the give situation because it's too short. I mean, no, I'm not gonna wear it, but it's a very lovely, lovely outfit. Oh, someone mentioned that I should cut it, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna give it away just like this. Then can wear it. Got one little beach pool party at Jamaica. This is, I don't know. At this point, you just love to spend money. This, me I save food, I go on vacation. Shein never wear it either. Save it for my vacation that's coming up. This dress is definitely keeping. Love it, love it, love it. I don't know why is it in here. Maybe I wear it and wash it and I'll bring it back. But this fitting up. I'll put this in and give it fire too. You did your time. Show them in there. Don't stress yourself. See there. I don't know if that one here from Fashion Over or Shein, but I got a couple of these cover up. Where?
Kemar.
No, I think same lens up on it. Look wide angle. What's your? You're very I will make YouTube today something there and block the video. That pants here, boy, it cut out right on the bottom, right the wall of the body. The wall of your body draw peg them just drop out so. And the front got rip on it too, but it's cute. Love it. Keeping it. What do you make it way? You like it? You ever see me night? I never wear that, you don't tell a lie for me. You just love the short dress.
Yo. See that dress like this earlier.
I probably want different one. Should I give you that from a car go Jamaica last year?
The blue and white one. And they do a stripe.
Stripe?
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Then me order some oversized t-shirt. A t-shirt they call button up front? Oversized t-shirt from Fashion Over. Couple of them. Yeah. Like the
Shirt or t-shirt.
what you call them?
Oversized shirt.
Oversized shirt.
T-shirt.
This is she, we don't wear it yet. We put it over there so. I had a vision for this hat. I'll know it not execute yet. So I'll keep it close.
You wear that 7-day Pentecostal choir dress already?
Just put the dress in there, sir.
you did dip on choir?
Yes.
Jaja. We shall have a grand time.
Up in heaven.
We shall have a grand time.
Up in
heaven.
Have a grand time. Walking with the angel. Anyway, this. Love it. It ain't going nowhere, baby. Oh my God. This. I think this is the second time I buy this. First one, my sister grabbed it. Or somebody. I don't know. But I bought it back. Because it's so cute. Of the thing in the back. Nice, me I tell you. Nice, nice. Some sneakers. I think that I'm wear it with some white sneakers. I think. This is such a beautiful piece. I know me not wear it yet. Don't know why I not wear it yet. I think I just not find out where it go yet. But you know it's high waisted and it's sucked to your body like mermaid. Go right down to have a split in the back. I don't know the material when them go on you. Suck you in. Yeah, and it have a little top. The top feet just go on like that and then it zip up at the back. A zip? Yeah, zip up at the back. It fit really cute. I just never see the occasion for wear it. Zip right here and then, you know, so we're keeping this. That I give away.
You want Moulin Rouge?
I want it so.
You know, back in the 70s, not even 70s, 50s, 60s, man. When black people just start have their own club and rain. And you have the singer them.
Oh, then come out in a.
Yeah.
Look at sequins, shiny, shiny.
Sequin and pearly and the frill pan it.
You know, must come with some foolishness.
The liquor used to name moonshine.
Moonshine is crazy.
No, so moonshine still there, road.
No, I never know when you moonshine, much as to know if it's still that road. This come out of the pants, yeah. This to type on this before it lasts. I never know what that's for.
Curtain, I go in that box up.
Yes. This is another cargo pants. We never wear that one yet either. Just the same like the rest of them. The back height too wide, but they fit and them fit really cute and them very long. I think I shouldn't pack them up. I think I should have. Even though my clothes them not pack up for long, you know, guys. Me tell you that me figure a way to fix my stuff them in my room because in the make sense I pack up my clothes them. It will only lead me to buy new clothes because me not got nothing for wear. So I'm try to figure out a way to get like a one piece on my wall in my bedroom, a closet in there. Not this, because this is too big. Like something, I don't know. I'll figure it out and then me show no. But the packing up don't make no sense. I can't keep my clothes them in a box. You know how long mommy give me this? But it's so cute. I see her and tell her one and she bought me one. You put your toothpaste or your toothbrush in it. And you just travel with it. Very convenient. Nanya, for come take up your shoes them, you know. Like you got a lot of shoes in here.
Did you see the Tims yet?
But I don't reach so far yet. I don't know. Maybe them they're grown somewhere. But maybe just I don't want to take them up from now. Are you gonna take your shoes up them or no?
No, I think my shoes are fine.
Oh, they're fine. They can't stay in here.
Pack them up with the thing.
With what? Put them in. No, you can't do like when me I do. I pack up my things there. Or where you gonna find your stuff there when you want them for? You gonna dig up my box?
Yeah, you're gonna put them in the bottom of the box, right?
And then you're gonna dig up the box and you want your clothes and for your shoes and for where?
No, you're gonna put my shoes separate.
No, you're gonna put them in your closet in your room. You have this thing by your wall. Put them there.
But I don't have no space for these. I'm doing extra work and I need to.
You know I plan to do this tonight. If I put them out there, would you take them up?
Yeah, I'll do them Sunday.
As long as me not come from work, come see them. It no matter. But them can't stay in here.
Or store them in my room because I gotta clean my room anyways.
What going for them?
I'm trying. You take it out? This, I don't even know if this can go. I just think what the rest of the jeans them, but I remember I said I give them last year. Yeah, I carry a whole heap of them go give them away. Yeah, but This is another one. I'm not sure this can fit because this not have not even one stretch in it. Not one. Why did I keep this? I'm sure this can fit me. I don't know. This is size 14. I don't know why I'm going to keep the jeans here because if it not no stretch, it could never fit. So we're going to put this in another box there. This! I love this so much. I decided I was going to send it back. Me don't figure out if it fit me. They're too small. I'm still going to figure out if it fit me because I have a design and I made for cut out the side them. And put like the clear. Because I see a jeans like it already. It's so nice though. Like it's full of rip all over it. Everywhere. Bare rip. Two back, front, foot, everything. Rip up. I love that. We're keeping this. This is a tight suit. Let me go with the fold up clothes then. It has to bend down. Where's not this?
More things to go in that box.
We'll probably do, but you could, I think you should just put so that it not get too heavy. Put it out. Can pull out?
No, we have to go high.
Hold on. Oh! Alright, now the box here we will put the things them way. My stuff they will me I keep, but them there fall up. I'm probably going to be going into this box a lot, so I don't think we'll take this. Fold this. How if I close them yet? The blood. Laugh, yeah, man. I'm tired of telling little boy stop putting sour clothes them on my things them. A tight suit from Savage. I think I got like 5 of them. And we're keeping all of them. Full. This is a Savage too. This is the top for it. Love it so much. It ain't going nowhere. This one too. This, I don't know how Savage said our outfit them, Mafi. What's her name? Rihanna? Rihanna said our outfit them. Look how my titty them the little. Oh, them are I mean, it will still fit. It will still fit, okay? Okay. I don't know how to start tight suit them for wear in a gym. Who will buy them something for so much money I wear them in a gym? Which gym? You're mad. This one is so cute. I love it. Only thing, this, the whole titty out I do. But it's from Fashion Over. The color is so pretty. You see that? Pretty blue and it long. This is another Fenty. The design of the back is what caught me. So pretty. And the color. And this make your waistline disappear. This part right here. What waist? This is just like the pink one, the same type of waist. It's just different design, but yeah, Savage. And the back of the one here, button up. Then you have the front like that. I wear that something here one time. And it was so cute. I don't understand how I wear it again. It's from, before I say Fashion Over, because I love it. It's from Shein. It's probably I don't even know. About 2019 I wear this. Never wear it back. But when I give it because it's cute. Put it in the try on. Let's see if it fit me. If it don't fit me, I give it. Oh, this pants is so sexy. Let me tell y'all. I wore this last year for my birthday. The week after my birthday, I wore it in Florida. So nice. Top for this day. This and that are all navy. This and the black one, I got two of them. I don't know the top for that day. And this are Skims. I don't know, I think are the worst two-piece me ever buy. But because them so damn dear, me keep them and I only have one. So I buy that dress here, cutie. I don't know all the dress put on. That's why it no wear. I don't know. I swear to you. I don't know all the dress go on you. Because I understand so this are the front. Come and try it for you, Kemar.
Yeah, idiot. Looks like your frock.
Oh, it don't make no sense. Because me know. The thing me no know. I don't know. This is just the top. And then you have here as the bottom. So it go yes so. It go like this, right? But then all the part you go on you. Because it not. I don't know. We're going to put it in a try-on section and we'll figure it out. If we can't figure it out, we'll throw it away. Don't know why I buy this. I never rate it. But there's some cute looking top I bought from Fashion Over last year. I know me not wear none of them yet. It's like, no, I'm wearing one of the, no, actually, I think did I? No, I'm wearing the white one with the black and white thing when I show now. This have a bottom, wait them, I don't know. I want to find the bottom then before I put them up. Like this. Give me this. No, they do. You have to put the suit them together.
Yeah.
This are all navy. This the white one feet here. They're so cute. Because right now, I don't know I buy this last year, I never wear it. It have a top somewhere. Just hang it somewhere till we find the top. This go in that. Tie your hat close. This go with this. This are Fashion Over.
Skirt this.
Skirt. This are gonna give us something.
Skirt.
It's a dress. See the breast part, yeah? It have a split in at the back.
Oh.
It's cute little summer dress. Oh, yeah. That can give me.
Skirt.
Suit where top there.
I don't see no top there.
Top there somewhere. Just one little green top. See the top here for this. This. This is another one from Old Navy. Guys, let me tell you, Old Navy two-piece them. Cheap and fit you so good. Yeah, this is a two-piece. This is a Fashion Over.
This go the shorts.
Yeah, this are this. I don't know why did I buy this. Think me that was weird. But it's cute. Look, a two-piece from Fashion Over. Dress?
Short people dress.
Remember the other day I messed up one of the top them? Juve. This is one of them. I got like about 5. I got them from Shein. Them real cute. I never wear them yet, but so I put on the one the other day and mash it up. It have a cute little bow in the front. I soon find a jeans to wear that with. Top for that. Hang up.
One more dress. Short people dress.
What you call short people dress? All I'm dress them are like yard dress. Them fit, but them not fit no more.
Okay.
So them are going to give away stuff.
This way fit it. Free draw and go.
Them they done. Okay, so draw them empty.
Next.
Put them there with them
One
the
of them
figure.
draw there over there. So.
And then me are going to know. But in the meantime, just put them here right here so with the pile so in a give a pile.
Oh, let me go give it a
Yeah. Cuties, I had to come and change the SD card and say it's full. Jesus Christ. It says cut mango margarita, 12% alcohol in this tiny can. It tastes strong to breathe.
This?
We empty the dryer. I know I think the thing cut out when we are empty it a while ago. We'll find some curtain that I think I'm gonna need in there. So we're putting them over there. But cuties, me there say it look like so the wall of me draw them. Just all this broke. Oh, it broke. I don't know. Let me just have to go dash them, yeah. I'm sure no. Cause I not use them, you know. So I don't know. See that? At the backboard that look like it broke, you know, around the so. Yep, it definitely broke. I don't understand because me telling the guys. Ah, frig. And the top one too. Here's the wall of them. Look at them. I forgot that shit, man. The outside piece feels sturdy, but this can't even open. You can open that?
Bottom part shell.
Yeah, the bottom part then broke. All piece of the back part of that look like it broke. And I Wayfair, me buy them here, no? And Wayfair shit's supposed to be good.
Everything in there really good.
Obviously, look like a paper them.
Back part of that loan is so broke. So, yeah.
Well, them can't repair, them can't fix.
Alright, so like this now. Probably couldn't get them 10 pieces.
Back in a Home Depot.
Yeah, but them back part there with the slat in it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we get them there. Now we get a replacement piece for them.
Bumble, no, Kemar. I'm put on this later. Oh, blood. I'm a costume. Your camera said look like a woman. I mean, Halloween costume. This I forgot back in a bag. This me not think this ever go wear again. They call them like scary bride. Like a ghost bride. And me have the boots up there so somewhere. That's what my dressing as this year. So Kemar get one costume, one ghost costume too. This is true. Cuties, you know fun fuck about me, I don't wear belt. Never wear belt. I don't know why. What them here for? Them here come in my pack with my hanger them and I don't know what them for. Somebody make me know. Down in the comment section, what you do with these? I got a lot of them. I'll keep them because maybe you tell me what we use this for.
Alright, I have a next box ready.
One only per all watch. Well, they're not all. Ah.
just tuck so that the next drawer, I'm afraid to lift and then my hand go bust.
Cause bottom drawer can't pull now. Mind that hurt your finger and me tell you say it's stiff.
It's not work because the whole of this been up and top of fitting this up.
Just the bottom piece more come out.
Pushing back bottom like this.
Take it out. We probably could get these. Push in that and pull out the bottom drawer. Oh!
Oh my God. You know me really wasteful. I want savage top listener. Never wear it yet. Look how cute. How did I not know I have this? Oh my God. Yes, you know you put on this one there. Oh, this is super cute. We're gonna keep it over her. You know them, Kemar? You know them? This lift your titty. As heavy as my titty be, these work. Okay? We get them 3 out here from Fashion Over. Keep them in the bag so the dust no mess them up. I say every fucking way you look clothes today. Every way. In the house you look, clothes just freaking dashed down. Dirty clothes at that. And panta pipe them not freaking smell good. What freaking man dash them out the door? Oh my God, I swear to you. No, this is already driving me crazy. This, right now, I drive me crazy already. So at this point, it come like say, may I take one stress off of my head, and me literally add another stress. Because, me I tell you the truth, seeing things pull up and mess up really drive me crazy. It really, really does. No matter how much I try to push it aside, it really mess with my head. Real bad. And then after that, everything is just, me just get real mad and angry like right now. Because, you know, never mind. But anyway, this is what this is looking like. Anyway, this is the try-on pile. So we're gonna do that when we like finish taking out everything out of the closet. We'll do that inside of the closet. Then we have the toolbox them over here. Them here not full yet. This can hold way more inside it. So we're not gonna lock it. This are the stuff then for giveaway. Giveaway? No. Yeah, this a giveaway. The box here a giveaway box. We'll probably have to go run through the box here again. And probably throw away some of the stuff instead of for giveaway. And so this nigga never use a TV yet and lock it off. Never, ever, ever. But just look how me I go just start tell him say him have to pay this light bill. That's what me I go start do. I bet them start lock off TV and lock off light. And yeah, I have one more other box here. It is so dark out here. These are my stuff them night. I don't even know where am I gonna put this yet. But yeah. And over here so one empty box. And it have this with nightie and swimwear. in night. Yeah, no. This is how the house is looking. And this is about to drive me crazy. I swear to you. Me, my OCD are chipping right now. And the ignorance with me I feel. The level are just, oh my God, this is crazy. I swear to God, I made it and right now it'll drive me crazy for see it like this. But I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard for just keep calm. Keep calm because what I'm telling you is not me want to do it. It's just the mind. I don't understand it. I don't understand it none at all. Why this happened to me? Cause now it piss me off so bad. For see the place like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. So it's like I'm getting rid of one problem and I'm just taking up the next. But anyway, the closet. This is how we reach. Remember I said the aim was to like take down everything. That's not gonna work because after 2 now I go to 3 o'clock. So most of them shoes you ever saw my daughter shoes. And over there so are mostly mine. And all of the shoes them up here and the bags them up here. All them here are my own. And we also have them 2 big panda with stuff in them. I don't even know where am I gonna put those. No idea. Suitcase them. I don't know I'm gonna put them up. I feel like so whenever I finish the room, them I forgot stay in here somewhere because I don't have nowhere to put them. Like something I forgot stay in here. I think I'm just gonna get rid of these. I just gonna dash them because obviously the wall I draw them break. And I'm not gonna pressure Kemar to fix them here. I just gonna throw them out and whenever the time comes for me put up back my closet, I'm just gonna get some new stuff, some additional stuff to it. Right? So yeah, that's where we're at. It's almost over. I mean, we did good. We did great today. The shoes alone we have left and bag. Right? We're almost there. Almost. What is... What the heck is that? I don't even know if you guys can see this. Is it just me, dude? You see one big stain pan this? It's like roll around here, sir. Somebody try clean it up, but this obviously... What the... Breed can, breed. I'm going to pretend I don't see that right now, because... I'm going to pretend I don't see that. I'll just pretend I don't see that. I have no idea what my head feel like it's about to explode right now. And that's crazy because nobody not doing nothing. That's crazy. I need to get out the house. I need to get out the house. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna bed, cool down. Alright, cuties. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's a good thing say the hairdresser live with me because I literally did my hair tonight for party tomorrow. And see there, it gone. It gone right out. Some of that I have to go fix about this tomorrow. Y'all see this? I say if I'm gonna do one facial, we see the video there next week, Thursday I think. But I'm gonna do one facial and from do the facial, may I tell you. I don't know what is this. What the heck is this? That's crazy. All over. And that's all that for our next vlog. For our next vlog because we are telling you. Such a waste of money. Such a waste of money. I tell you, crazy. But I never know how I switch from one subject to the next. Anyway, cuties, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new, share the video, leave me a comment, something nice, something bad, it doesn't matter. And yeah, I will see you guys next week, Sunday, for episode 3. episode 3 we should done taking down all those stuff, included the damn board them. The room should be empty. And hopefully I find places put these so it don't drive me crazy. I think I'm definitely gonna rent a storage. Cause no, this can't work. This can't work. I can't drive myself mad. Let me sit down here. Let me sit. Right now I'm just feeling. I can't even give you guys a goodbye. The energy is just not there. It's just not. And I can't fake it. I can't fake it. I swear to you. I go water fresh and go have a drink. Okay? Cuties, I'll see you guys next week Sunday, okay? Alright, my beautiful people. Love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.